Express Water Whole House 3-stage heavy anti-scale system. Next up is a whole house type product listed under Express Water. The multi-stage heavy metal plus anti-scale 3-stage system that's pitched as ultimate protection for whole home needs. Listings for systems like this typically combine a sediment stage, a heavy metal reduction stage and an anti-scale media or similar combination, so incoming municipal water is treated before it reaches taps and appliances. This listing calls out scale reduction, chloramine, chlorine reduction and heavy metal filtration, which makes it appealing if you're trying to protect water fixtures, laundry, and whole house consumption. Because whole house systems are sized and installed differently, check the product page for current price, sizing, flow specs, and compatibility with your home plumbing. On the review front, buyers who leave detailed feedback often focus on installation, some plumbing experience or pro helps, flow rates after installation, and the perceived drop in scale on fixtures and kettles. Positive reviews mention better soap performance, fewer scale marks and less smell, taste from chlorine. Critical reviews usually point to install challenges, the need to flush and prime the system properly, or the reality that media has a finite life and replacement cartridges can add to long-term cost. If you own your home and want whole home protection rather than just a drinking water filter, these systems can be transformative, but they also require the right sizing and installation. Quick on-camera rundown. Pros: whole home protection, anti-scale benefits for appliances, multi-stage contaminant reduction. Cons: requires proper install and sizing, replacement media cost, and check local plumbing codes or pro install recommendations. As usual, we share by links in description box so viewers can see the exact model, price, and what's included for their home.